to Focus Investing, and on today's episode, I'll be talking about a stock that has recently been selling off, and that is Twitter. But before we get into that, make sure you're subscribed if you haven't, and also be sure to smash the like button as it helps us out with the algorithm. Thank you. So let's get right into it. So, Twitter has been selling off recently in part due to more of the recent events surrounding the company. The company, as you're all aware of, did permanently ban the President of the United States, Donald J. Trump, from their platform. And that basically has sent the stock tumbling since. But fundamentally speaking, the core business of the company did not change. So, and I think this is a little bit of an overreaction as investors seek to digest some of the information, and possibly the company has been scrutinized of being a platform that allows for the proliferation of, I guess, what most analysts call fake news or propaganda, right? And I think this will actually be a moment of truth for them as they seek to regain public trust. And I think Twitter as a company is a really great company. They've done really well in their management. Jack Dorsey is a great innovator and has been doing really well. So, fundamentally, like I said, the core business has not changed. And I think it's just taking some time for investors to digest the deplatforming of Trump from Twitter. So, and I think once investors are able to take that into account, uh, the stock is, of course, being reevaluated, and I think that's what explains the more recent sell-off. But once that is done, you would be able to start seeing that there is a consolidation forming right here. I mean, it has been downtrending, but I think if we can hold above this $40 mark, right? So there's still a couple dollars left to go. But once we get to this, and if this can be a support, and we get a technical confirmation that the stock is bouncing back, and it starts moving above this exponential moving average, which is that blue line that's highlighted, and then hopefully it breaks above that single day moving average. And this is, we're looking at a 180-day moving chart. As you can also see here with the relative strength index, the stock it is oversold. And also, if you look at the MACD, the stock is showing some signs of potential recovery. And also, if you look at the ADX, we are starting to see more or less a consolidation beginning to show around $46 or $45 per share. And I think once we get those technical confirmations, I think it would be really good if you could enter a position and maybe catch that rally back up to, $56 per share. I don't know if this is going to happen in the next, 2 to 3 weeks, but I think given the steep sell-off, just in the past 2 weeks, we could also have a very V-shaped recovery. Especially with earnings coming up. So I think this is a stock that I'll be looking at. Let me know what you think, especially given that, like I said, the company is looking to report their financials pretty soon. I'll be interested to hear what your thoughts are. I'll be sure to leave them in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. And